Like a Hellcat.
Welcome everybody, W Uso back again with another video. $60 session. I got 3 of these $20 on my favorite $215 million cash explosion. And I got the last 3 from the machine. 27, 28, and 29. Alright, let's start off with ticket number 27. Alright, all we do here is match any of the numbers to win numbers, win the price shown. You find a money bag, $100 instantly, 20x, 20 times the prize with $1 underneath. And the overall odds wanted 3.09. Alright, then I'm going to be scratching with Fancy Nancy coin. And I got 2 claimers out of this coin. Let's see if we can get one more. Come on, let's find that money bag or a beautiful claimer. All right, we're looking for 36, 48, 23. Coach is 16, 33, Fat 40, 24. Also, Miss Amanda's 23. All right, let's go. Fancy Nancy, number 9. No singles. No singles. 13, we got 23 and 33. 45, 40 and 48 up there, no singles. 49ers, 1 off. 34, 33. 47, 1 off. No singles. No singles. 12, 18. 26, we need a 16 or 36. 29, 35, 37, 31, double deuces, 28, and the 44. No singles. 46, 27. 32 and a 15 went off. Come on. All right. 28. Let's go symbol hunting. 46, 13, 38, 11, 23, 21, 48, 40, 28, 25, 45, 43, 5, 31, 37, number 1, 8, deuce, 29, number 6, 3, 26, 4, 17, and 32. Random race 32. All right. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Gigi's 44. Fancy Nancy number 9. 27, 17, 37. 24. We got a 4. That's it. 18. We got an 8. 28, 48, and 38. 35. Nope. 12. We got a deuce there. No 12. And that was the last number. Yep. All right, we're down to our last ticket. Bad thing about it is, if this is a bus session, I can't chase. This is the last ticket for the machine. Ay, ay, ay. Come on, let's do this. Looking for 12, 18, 9, double deuces, 27, 25, and a 5. A lot of low numbers. Lowest is 5, and the highest is 27. All right, must be something good. 11, one off. 27 is the highest. And look at it, 28. 18, we got a match. Very last ticket. Whew. 16. We got another match. No 40s, no 30s. 29, 27 is the highest. No 40s. Double deuces. We got another match, so better start marking these. And we got a 25. And we got an 18. All right. We got another 18. That was a 27. That was 17. No 30s. 24. One off. No 40s. 19. Nope. 26. Maybe that was 4. 25. Another match. Another match. No 30s. No 23. No 40s. And no 40s. All right, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 matches. Ooh, this is scary. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 matches. All right. Let's see what we got. Oh. All right, 5, 15, 35, 40, 45, $50 winner. Woo! We got the guaranteed 50 from the pack, and was a very last ticket. Awesome, awesome. All right. So, $60 session for $50 back. That is awesome. All right. Thank you all for watching, and I really, really do appreciate that, guys. And hope you all have a blessed day or night. And hello, everybody. All right.